You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I'm going to be unboxing something and reviewing it and just giving you guys my own opinion about it. So IKEA, everyone knows IKEA, the biggest shop for furniture, and just, yeah, you know, everyone knows what IKEA is. So IKEA has actually teamed up with Asus, ROG, Republic of Gaming, to actually, you know, spice things up a little bit and give some people some, you know, some kind of like the budget side of the gaming setup kind of experience, because I know there's a lot of brands out there that have a lot of gaming products, peripherals like mouse, keyboard, headphones, headphone stands, gaming chairs, gaming desk, everything. So yes, IKEA has partnered up with ROG to kind of simplify things a little bit more. So if you're someone that likes to go to IKEA a lot and just want something nice and simple, you know, something that's not going to break the bank, then yeah. So I believe they brought out the chair, the gaming chair. They brought out the gaming desk. They got gaming mouse pad as well. They got a gaming seat, floor kind of mat. In case you have like a rug or somewhere or some surface that the wheels on the chair won't be able to roll properly. What else did they bring out? I think they brought out some, not headset. No, what else did they bring out? They brought out a mouse, cable, tidy, dangly thing. I don't even know what it is. But yeah, today I have the gaming chair, and the gaming chair comes in two colors. It comes in the black and the white. And I went through a lot of stages and I did a lot of debating with myself on which color to get, because obviously I don't know if you guys know as of yet, but I'm actually building a white gaming, not a gaming, but a white themed setup. So my PC is all going to be white, and I'm trying to figure out what else in the setup to make white. But yeah, I didn't know. I thought if I get the white one, it's going to get dirty very quickly. If I get the black one, then it's going to be alright. But there is one thing that I'm going to tell you guys. One reason why I decided to buy the black one. Because what I'm thinking is to mod it. And who doesn't like to mod stuff? I do. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys. If I can get in the box. Oh my god, I gotta build it. It was like IKEA flat pack. I gotta build this damn thing. Right, okay. Yeah. The chair is black and has red accents. So for example, the back kind of, I'll show you anyways, but this is red. Few other red accents like the red wheels and stuff, but obviously I'm gonna have a white setup, so I'm gonna spray this all white anyways, because so it just fits in with the theme of the setup. But yeah, I'm gonna set this all up, then I'm gonna show you guys the seat, how it looks, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of I don't know, a tour, a review, tell you guys what I think. But yeah, this seat has been hyped up by so many YouTubers, and the reason why I know it's been so hyped up is because Unbox Therapy did a video on it. So I don't know, I think it was possibly a paid video or a sponsorship video, I'm not sure, but the fact he's done the video really does mean that there's something good going on around here. So I'm gonna set it up real quick and I'll see you guys in just a minute. Right guys, so before I get this whole seat set up, I've got everything out the box and on the floor. I'm going to show you what it comes with, and yeah, so first of all, you get the manual guide here for you to obviously set it all up. It tells you how to do it. And in here we got some tools. And we got some nuts as well, so you can put the seat together. Very nice. What else? So we have the base. I must say it's got a bit of heft to it, to be honest with you. Got a bit of heft to it. But yeah, you got the base nice and soft and squishy. Nice and soft. That's where your bum's gonna go on. And then we have the bottom where obviously the legs goes on as well. And this is actually metal. Very nice. This The ones on my seat right now is plastic, but this is metal. I believe it's aluminum or aluminium metal, so it keeps the base nice and hefty and nice and strong. So if someone fat sits on it, then they don't break your chair. But yeah, that's very nice. And then we have the handles. Well, should I call them handles? We have the armrest, which are these. Pretty damn cool. So they just go on here, and they got adjustment as well. They got up and down adjustments, back and forth adjustment. I'll be showing you guys all that anyway when I get it all set up. And then we have the shock, which obviously goes up and down for whenever you want to adjust the seat. And then we have the headrest, which looks very nice. It's very modern styling, very, very nice. I like that. That looks really very nice. We got the headrest, and then we got the wheels as well. I believe these are heavy duty wheels as well, so these will last quite a good while as well. I wish it wasn't red, but it is what it is. I have to do some modding and get it white. But yeah, and then like I said, I showed you guys this one. This is the back support. This is basically all there is for the back support. And then you got the whole control unit here to obviously adjust the level of the seat, and yeah, that. And then the last of all, we have this, the backrest, which looks absolutely awesome. And the best thing about this backrest, a lot of things I haven't seen any YouTubers say when they do an unboxing on these chairs or even review or say anything about it, is the mesh on this backrest is actually removable. So it's got zips literally right there, if you can see that. It's got zips. You can literally unzip this whole thing when it's dirty, put it in the wash and wash the mesh and put it back on. That's a lot of things other YouTubers haven't said, bro, because I didn't even know. I literally noticed that. I was like, whoa, that's a nice feature. But yeah, you can take the mesh, wash it and put it back on, which is very, very nice and very handy. So yeah, thanks and big shout out to IKEA and ROG for thinking about that, because that's a really nice feature. I like that personally. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna do my review, talk about it, and compare it with my weekend gaming seat that I have. I've had it for maybe 4 years, 5 years, something like that. Maybe not that, actually 3 or 4 years, something like that. But yeah, it just makes so much noise. It's squeaky. It's just not comfortable at all. And then the bottom here is like not straight anymore. It's kind of like that. So it's like, yeah, it's just not it at all. But yeah, let me put this up together and then I will do a little comparison, and yeah, we go from there. I think it's gonna be a really, really nice feature to the setup, to be honest with you. We can even do like podcasts with both seats. Just well, yeah, I like it, man. It's really, really good. Look at the back. It looks very, very slick, nice and slender. It's very, very, it's cute. It's really, really cute. I really like it. Yeah, only took me like 20 minutes to build, and that's about it. But yeah, it's very, very comfortable. Anyway, comparing that with my original seat, you can see already big difference in the height department. So this seat goes up higher than my old seat, and I had a little problem when it came to these seats actually. My seat that I'm using now, I was supposed to use this for when I recording a video, my unboxing and whatnot. I'm supposed to use this seat, but because it's so low, it's not able to be high enough for my unboxing table. So I cannot use this seat. I had to move it and use my stool because it was high enough. With this, I have no problems at all because I can have it high, low, and comparing it with my stool, possibly, yeah, pretty much the same height as my stool. So I can use this for my unboxing videos and stuff, and it's very, very comfortable as well. Ooh, look at that. Just chuck this away in the bin. This is very comfortable. Got your lumbar support. You can go all the way back. You can even lock it in place as well. So if you're comfortable like that, you can just lock it in place, put your head down on the headrest and just relax. Look at that. Whew. This is the best seat I've ever sat in. It's so comfortable. I could be here all day. Literally, I could be here all day. You've got a lot of adjustments as well in the head department. You can go up and down. Well, we can go up first of all. Let's see what it. Oh wow, oh wow, that is just on the next level. You can sleep on this thing. Literally, you can just sleep on this thing. Oh my god, whew, that's amazing. So comfortable, like I was saying. You got the headrest. You can move it up. You can move it down. You can also bring it down and up, whichever way you want to do it. There's loads of adjustment there, so it's very, very nice. You see how it leans down? Very, very nice. See, you can go on, and then you got the arm. You got the arm movement as well. On the arm as well, you can go front or back, depending on how obviously comfortable you want it. Then you can bring arms up and you can bring them down as well. So if you want to have more of a normal posture like this, you can bring it up to kind of raise your arm a little bit, you know, just chill out. This is very comfortable. This is, I'm actually so impressed for IKEA. This is so freaking comfortable. Literally so comfortable. I'm very, very impressed. I'm loving this. This is it. This is amazing. I love this. This is nice. Whew. This is really, really good. The best thing I love about it is the lumbar is it does it. You do it by yourself. It's very, very nice. But with that one, my old chair, you have to pull the lever and put it to the space you want it. But with this one, I can just be doing something and I just want to, you know, relax. I can just literally just lean back like this and just relax for a little bit and then come back again and then go again. It's nice. It's alright. It's really, really nice. I really like it. I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait as well to make my videos with this chair. I feel like it's gonna be a really nice vibe as well when I make my YouTube videos with this seat. It's gonna be really nice. But yeah, that's been the unboxing on the IKEA and ROG gaming seat. I see what the hype is all about now because it's literally amazing. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also hit the share button, like the video as well, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Yeah, this is nice. And also I actually like that red aesthetics behind there, man. It actually looks really good. I would really like it. I might keep it, I might not, I don't know. We just have to see how it goes. Obviously when I finish building the PC and stuff, just have to go see how it goes, isn't it? Just see how it goes. But yeah guys, if you want to see that video as well, me building my PC, then stay tuned because parts are coming in very fast and yeah, we're building that PC in literally no time.